Good morning, Sean.
Good morning.
Happy Friday.
Thank you.
This is Sean Pennington, our CEO here at Solomon IT, and I have another question for you today.
Shoot.
About a week ago on our Solomon IT LLC LinkedIn profile, you posted about the ScreenConnect servers and a vulnerability that needed to be patched. Can you give me and our followers a little more detail about that?
Certainly. So one of the products that we use is a product from ConnectWise called ScreenConnect. And ScreenConnect is a remote tool for us to access workstations and servers, etc., in order to actually have the screen in front of us. And there was a vulnerability that was discovered within the platform. And so ConnectWise was very quick to take a look at the vulnerability that was shown to them and determine that it was an actual legitimate vulnerability, and to immediately begin mitigating it and then creating a patch to update all of their servers. We use their cloud platform, so immediately within like the day, they had our servers patched and ready to go so that the vulnerability was mitigated. Post that, they released the patch for those running them on premise or in their own data centers, and there are over 100,000 servers out there that are not cloud servers, and 90% of them within 48 hours still had not been patched. So it became a major cause for concern because they began being hacked in the wild at an alarming rate. And so having them being patched mitigated that for our clients, which is part of the reason why we allow ConnectWise to host it in their cloud.
Okay, so I guess this is concerning, but what about other servers? Do they need to be patched?
Yes. One of the things that we do is we automate patching, and our platform allows us to look at the CVEs, which are essentially security bulletins that come out, and automatically patch at different levels of those CVEs. So you've got everything from like a level 1, which is kind of a mundane patch that may not have a major way of easily being a threat, where then you've got level 9s, which are massively able to be hacked very easy and can have a very large degree of problems because of the hack. So our platform that we use allows us to mitigate those at whatever level we want, and we keep the patches automatically going. So as soon as one comes out, it immediately is getting patched to us first, and then our clients next, so we can see if there's any problems that arise from that on our stuff and be able to implement a cancellation of those patches so that it doesn't affect our clients negatively until Microsoft or whoever the operating system or vendor can get the patch fixed where it's not going to be problematic.
So you had mentioned that people need to call their IT department or provider and check in on this. And if they haven't, or if they're vulnerable, or if they don't have an IT department helping them out, what should they do?
Certainly call us.